Let's start by enabling the plugin by searching by Unused. To open this plugin, go to Tools menu and find Unused Asset Detective. You can anchor it in New tab or just somewhere else. Since the bottom buttons doesn't fit with this size, let's make it bigger. When scanning, we can then filter by types, like blueprints, sound, static mesh, and more. This will be improved over time with updates. Same for the scan button, since it can take some time and freeze your editor for a short time. We can adjust the validation throttle, but this need to be improved over time. Make sure to filter after scanning. Use the search if you already know the name. If we press the right-click mouse button, we can see some options like Show in Content Browser, which will open the content browser at the location of the selected item. Delete Forever. This will delete forever the selected item. Every time anything gets deleted, the tool will start the scan again. That scan was too long. Let's minimize the throttle. Move to Trash. This will create a folder Trash in case later you want to recover it. After moving the trash, the plugin will start scanning again, but I still need to improve the scan time. In the Content folder, there's the Trash folder. As you can see, nothing is lost, but you can recover it from here. Exclude Developers folder, in case you have one. That folder would not be included in the scan. Show assets with only soft references, while I recommend having it disabled. You can manually add excluded folder from scan. Select a folder in Content Browser and press the button Add Current Content Browser Folder. Keep in mind that drag and drop won't work. Also, click with the right mouse button in any folder to add to the excluded folder. While using the right mouse button variant, we need to close the plugin and reopen it again. Fixes will be made in future updates. We have a button to clean empty folders, which will delete all empty folders and subfolders, while the option Delete Empty Folders Automatically After Cleanup will delete only one folder and not subfolders. Expect this to be fixed in the future. Export to CSV will make a file and export it to saved folder of your project. This will include a list of all unreferenced files detected. As I said, the delete empty folder after cleanup, this will not delete subfolders, just one folder. It's better to click again, Clean Empty Folder after deleting or moving to trash any item. So we'll make sure any empty folder isn't left. Placing anything in the level without saving it, it will still be shown in the tool as non-referenced. After saving this, will not be show anymore since it's referenced by the level. After deleting it, we know that it's not anymore referenced by the level, but keep in mind that Unreal will keep this referenced in the undo history. I recommend pressing the button Clean Undo History always before scanning project. Let's place some meshes that I like. The rest of the downloaded asset, I don't need it anymore. So we will start deleting everything referenced and not used anymore. I forgot. First, it's recommended to clear undo history and then scan project. Remember, after deleting everything, new unreferenced files may appear. This is because some files were previously unreferenced by the ones we just removed. So we'll keep scanning and deleting until nothing is left. So finally, nothing left. Clean empty folder one more time. As you can see, Everything that was not referenced in any place was deleted, and we keep all the referenced things, like texture or material of the item in use.